AutoMeter knows that part of upgrading and restoring a classic muscle car or truck is taking care of the interior. This InVision digital dash for the 1969 Camaro is the perfect fit. The InVision digital dash is an all-in-one instrumentation solution that monitors the speedometer, tachometer, fuel level, oil pressure, water pressure, and volts all in one place. This makes monitoring your car's internal workings very convenient. The straightforward installation is made even easier because the dash utilizes all of the same mounting locations as the original panel and requires no cutting, drilling, or modification to the original parts. The high-quality injection molded dash panel allows for a clean and sturdy installation and will fit just like the original with no gaps or blemishes. The kit includes sending units for water pressure and oil pressure. It also includes a universal wiring harness to simplify the installation process. The speedometer calibrates to OEM, aftermarket, or GPS speed senders to make sure you keep your money in your pocket and not paying fines. The adjustable tachometer can calibrate to many different engine types, so no matter what your build is, the dash is going to be a great fit. The InVision digital dash also has integrated indicator lights for high beams, turn signals, as well as instrument warnings and a user-selectable warning light that can provide both audible and visual alarms. The InVision digital dash has taken all of the necessary tools for day-to-day driving and made them much cooler. The dash kit is a direct fit for the 1969 Camaro, so it actually looks like it belongs in the car. When you turn the car on and the dash lights up with the AutoMeter logo, you know you have a quality product. There are a total of 4 user-selectable screens to choose from on the dash. All customization from selecting screens to calibrating your tachometer are all done with the intuitive and easy-to-use panel-mounted joystick. Simply push to click and twist left and right to navigate the menus. With a 12.3-inch LCD screen, this dash gives you a high-resolution color display to see your gauges even in the darkest or brightest of areas. With the customization the InVision digital dash gives you, you can make a unique look all on your own.